Okay, today we are gonna do dancing raisins.
Yes, we're going to do a science experiment called Dancing Raisins. And the theme is called Seek the Lord's Direction. Ooh. Okay, so the verse that goes along with Dancing Raisins is Proverbs 21:5. The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty. Ooh, those are some big words. Amount of carbon dioxide. Can you say carbon dioxide?
Carbon dioxide.
CO2. Say it. CO2.
CO2.
Very good. So the raisins or other small objects have a density just slightly greater than water. If small bubbles of CO2 attach to them, they are buoyed upward to the surface and they will remain there until the bubbles separate, then they drop down. Okay, so we're gonna make some raisins dance. Dance, dance, dance.
Ready.
All right, so we're gonna open this up. Ooh, what was that was just released? Do you know?
Air.
Carbon dioxide was released. Okay, so we're gonna add some in here. Okay.
Bubbles.
So do you know what those bubbles are? Carbon dioxide.
Ooh.
Yeah, CO2.
Put a raisin.
All right, so we're gonna put a few little raisins in. Oh, what's happening? Nothing's happening.
Am I dancing?
The small bubbles of the CO2 are attaching themselves to the raisins.
Raisins.
As you're eating the raisins, you're eating our science experiment. So the small bubbles are attaching themselves and then they're buoying up to the surface and they'll remain there until the bubbles separate and then they drop down again. Oh, there goes one, up. And then it's gonna separate.
Down.
And it'll go down. There it goes. Cool.
What about that?
Okay, so how is this science experiment relatable to us? How is it relatable to us? Do you ever feel like we just go all the time?
Yeah.
I do too. And in our busy schedule, do you ever feel like sometimes we make mistakes or we make decisions too fast?
Look at that.
Yeah.
And on the top.
Okay, so in our busy lifestyle, what we should do is we should exercise the ability that God has given to us to stop and to think through the results of our actions. Do you ever do that? Do you ever stop to think? Yeah, it's really important to do that. Asking God for direction through, how do we ask God? How do we talk to God?
Just praying.
Just by praying. And we can seek.
Or we can read.
Reading what?
A Bible.
That's right, reading the Bible before making big decisions. So we have to stop, pray, think. Even you can talk to others about what choices we want to make and read. Yeah.
Bubbles up. And
Yes.
then I'm dancing.
But what are the bubbles? CO2.
CO2.
Can you say it with me? Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide. CO2.
CO2 is cool. Yeah, CO2.
Raisin dance.
Raisin dance. So these bubbles can represent busy lifestyle, and then we get consumed in all this busyness, all these bubbles. And we go up and we go down, and we go up and we go down. But these raisins seem like they're considering a lot of things, huh? They're like stopping to think.
To pray for dog.
They're praying to God. It's funny. Well, I think we were supposed to do it with warm soda. I don't drink warm soda.
So, was that so fun, guys? It was so fun. So that Todd was bubble dance. Bubble dance raisin.